Hi guys, welcome to Learn How To, and in this video we're going to look at how to rip out an old kitchen and refit with a new Wickes made to order kitchen. One of the first things that you'll need to do is obviously rip out the old units, and in our case we made up some of the new units, base units first, just so that it give ourselves a head start, and we stored those in the garage. Also, you need to make sure you mark on your lines for where your heights of your base units are going to come all the way around the kitchen, and that's approximately 900mm for those, and the wall cupboards are approximately 500mm above the work surface level. We also were fitting a laminate floor here, again making sure that those boards go underneath the units and clear the kickboards. Any sockets that need replacing or moving needs to be done at this stage, obviously by a qualified electrician, and then face plates putting on, and any plastering around the sockets to neaten and keep everything nice and flush. We didn't worry too much about the remaining wall as long as it was level and flat, as the customer's going to have a glass splashback panel all the way along. Again, make sure that the socket levels and lines all follow through all the way around the kitchen. In this kitchen we also had to replace some of the pipework for the sink as it was moved to the left slightly, so we've put new pipework in with new isolators for hot and cold. This is the wall cupboard there being put in place. Okay, so for the base units, we fitted the corner unit first. So you've got the feet on the bottom to set the heights and the levels, and you need a spirit level to make sure that you've got the vertical and the horizontal heights spot on. Once you've got your first unit in place, you can then fix it to the wall using the brackets that are attached at the back. And just take care here, make sure that when you screw it to the wall that it doesn't lift and kick the unit up in the air. Just double check that it doesn't move and keep the feet in place. Once you've got the first unit in, the rest should be fairly easy. They should all follow along in line, but again checking it to your line. Okay, we're now ready for the worktops. The worktops are going on. Don't fix them down at this point because you've got things like the hob to fit in and the sink. Used hole saws for cutting any holes in any panels. We marked on the template for the sink, drilled a hole in the corner, and then used a jigsaw to cut out the shape. Making sure that put a generous helping of silicone sealant on the underside before we clipped it into place, and then clear silicone sealant around the edge to make sure you have the final edge finish. All the units are there now in place. Worktops are fixed down. We've mitered the corners of the worktops again to look more professional, so there are no joining strips. Tow unit is in place, dishwasher's in, and the waste pipes behind were fixed to a glossy cream back panel that was attached afterwards. All the handles on the units were pre-drilled and attached using machine screws. And the final shot shows the kitchen with the glass panel looking fairly professional. If you'd like to subscribe, please do so. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.